lot of people go to non-SEBI registered people, आपकी के इंडस्ट्री के talented actor हैं. When he had invested some 2 to 4, 5 crore rupees.
ये हुआ?
Yes. If you go to social media, everyone is saying buy this, buy that.
Right यार, हाँ.
Exit कोई नहीं बताता. Actually, exit is the most important recommendation.
May I ask you in totality, what your average return to your clients are?
You can actually predict the top and bottom.
What?
It's a magic.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप?
निखिल मुझे कुछ स्टॉक टिप्स दो ना. That is the time.
Wow.
This is the only leading indicator in the market.
Wow.
अगर मेरा कोई स्टॉक है जो 5-6 गुना पे चल रहा है, I will start watching news. अगर न्यूज उस स्टॉक को बार बार कवर कर रहा है, I will exit.
How come?
So let's say market goes down by 20%. Our portfolio should have stocks which only go down by let's say 10 or 12%. If we do that, we are well settled. Market को करने दो जो करना है.
What are the 3 sectors you feel that investing in the Indian market, which sectors should you invest? Hi guys, welcome to the Vishal R. मैं बस आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि thank you so much for enjoying the Vishal R. ये जो conversations हम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, ये कोई हम educate या suggest या advise या sell करने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम बस बातचीत कर रहे हैं ऐसे लोगों के साथ जो इंटरेस्टिंग है और जिनके पास इंटरेस्टिंग कहानियां हैं, इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सपर्टीज है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली ये जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज हैं ये हमारे गेस्ट के हैं. इट डज नॉट कम फ्रॉम मी और फ्रॉम द शो. वी आर हियर टू लर्न, वी आर हियर टू हैव फन एंड एंटरटेन. एंड आई होप कि आप भी बहुत एंटरटेन हो रहे हो. और अगर हो रहे हो तो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? सब्सक्राइब एंड स्मैश दैट लाइक बटन. कीप वॉचिंग द विशाल आर. Welcome Nikhil to the Vishal Hour. स्वागत है आपका. Okay, so we have Nikhil Gangal in the house. It's such a pleasure to have you. निखिल के बारे में ये क्या कहूँ, बहुत सारे आप लोग ऑलरेडी इन्हें जानते हैं. We've been watching you. मैं आपको काफ़ी टाइम से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ by the way. Thank you for accepting my invitation to be here. Intrinsic Value is the name of the company that you are the proprietor of. आप फाउंडर भी हैं इसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, आज के इस एपिसोड में आपको जो सीख मिलेगी, जो ज्ञान मिलेगा और एक रास्ता भी मिलेगा. यूजुअली लोग प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, लेकिन आज हम सोल्यूशन के साथ आए हैं निखिल के साथ.
थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर कॉलिंग मी हियर. इट्स सच अ ऑनर. हम तो बचपन से आपको देख रहे हैं. एंड आई थिंक आई वाज 11 or 12 व्हेन योर फर्स्ट मूवी वाज रिलीज्ड.
वो इश्क विश्क देखी आपने?
Yes, that was the first movie.
हाँ, उसका कोई डायलॉग याद है आपको? वो वाला कमला फूलों का गमला, बता कब करूं मैं हमला.
ये तो मुझे याद नहीं है, बट आई शेयर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग विद यू.
बताओ.
मैं जब इंजीनियरिंग की प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था, मेरे साथ मेरा रूममेट था. वो पढ़ता नहीं था एंड आई वाज गुड एट स्टडी. तो उसके मम्मी पापा मुझे बोलते थे कि इसको बोला करो पढ़ेगा. तो हमने उसको बिठाकर एक बार क्लास ली कि पढ़ा लिखा कर. एंड ही सेड कि आई हैव अदर टैलेंट्स एंड ऑल. ही सेड कि आई एम अ वेरी गुड राइटर. And I said, okay, just share something, one of your own writing. And he shared one of the best story with me. And there was a scene which was very emotional. And I thought this guy is the best, one of the best writer in this country.
अच्छा.
बाद में मुझे पता चला उसने मुझको एक विवाह ऐसा भी की स्टोरी चिपका दी. और वो जो इमोशनल सीन की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, वो आपका सीन था जिसमें मैं आप वो तिलक कर रहे हो और राखी पहन रहे हो.
I mean, यार आप देखो कितने साल पहले की बात है और आज आप हम साथ में बैठे हुए.
मुझे जब इनविटेशन आया तो आई वाज लाइक यार आई एम गोइंग टू मीट दैट पर्सन.
सो स्वीट.
एंड दैट वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फनीएस्ट थिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड इन माय लाइफ.
ये आपने छुपाया, हम जब बात कर रहे थे ये नहीं पता. वेरी गुड यार.
ये मेरा ट्रम्प कार्ड था, वरना मैं आपके रिएक्शन नहीं देख पाता.
बहुत बढ़िया. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. यू नो, एक विवाह ऐसा भी मेरी एक ऐसी फिल्म थी जिससे मुझे बहुत प्यार मिला. और करते करते ना मुझे किरदार भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. वो सीन भी बहुत इमोशनल.
राइट.
बट आज हम एक और इमोशन के बारे में बहुत हाईलाइट करने वाले हैं. वो है वेल्थ क्रिएशन.
राइट.
बहुत जरूरी है. ऑलराइट, तो शुरुआत से शुरू करते हैं. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं इमीडिएटली वांट टू आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन.
राइट.
अगर हमें जेनरेशनल वेल्थ बनाना है लॉन्ग टर्म के तौर से,
राइट,
व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रॉन्ग रिकमेंडेशंस? यहां से शुरू करते हैं.
So one of the main recommendation I have right now is stop playing with your money. Stop doing futures, options. Stop doing short-term trading and all. and go for the long term investing. That is the only way you will create big money.
करेक्ट.
अगर आप एक छोटा सा स्टडी भी करोगे and you will try to analyze which are the people who have made great amount of wealth, and दूसरे कॉलम में लिखोगे who are they are value investor or they are short term investors, you will see 90% of the people who have created wealth are value investors.
So long term.
Yes.
What is the definition of long term, Nikhil?
So it's a straightforward definition. If you are looking at the fundamentals of the company, if you are looking at the valuation of the company, and you have holdings in the company on the basis of that for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, then you are doing a long term investing.
अच्छा, तो 3 साल और 5 साल के बीच
Right.
में अगर आप एक इन्वेस्टर हो एक कंपनी के साथ फॉर द राइट रीजंस,
Right.
यू आर डिफाइंड एज अ लॉन्ग टर्म
Long-term
इन्वेस्टर. अभी जो लोग अपने पैसे डालते हैं, मैं एक सीक्रेट बता देता हूँ कि मैं एक लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर हूँ. जब मैंने अपनी ये जो एक विवाह या ये
Yes,
जो
yes,
फिल्म
yes.
तब से जो मेरी पहली अर्निंग थी उसमें से 10-20% बहुत कम होता था, लेकिन जो भी होता था उसमें से थोड़ा बहुत मैं मार्केट में डाल देता था.
That's great.
स्पेसिफिकली लार्ज कैप कंपनीज, उस टाइम रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज वगैरह
Right.
में डाल देता, और मैंने छुआ ही नहीं 30 साल,
That's great, sir.
है ना.
That's
तो ये तो अल्ट्रा लॉन्ग टर्म हो गया.
Right, right, right. That's great.
करेक्ट.
This you
करेक्ट स्ट्रैटेजी है.
Yeah, this you can do in large companies.
Right.
But when it comes to small companies where the market is little volatile, so long-term investing is not about you buy the company and you hold it for 10-20 years. It is about you buy the company, hold it for 3 years, you check whether everything is good, you hold it for 3 more years, you check everything is good, you hold it for 3 more years, and that is how you hold them for 10 years, 20 years.
And that's where
Yes.
Nikhil comes in.
Great.
Because you are a SEBI registered
Research analyst.
research analyst.
Yes.
Okay? तो ये क्या होता है, ये बताइए. आप स्पेशलाइज्ड हैं, ये आपकी स्पेशल, तो ये बताइए इसका मीनिंग क्या है.
So basically एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ.
जी.
लेट्स से मैं यहाँ पर बैठा हूँ और मेरे पापा कानपुर में बैठे हूँ. वैसे आई एम फ्रॉम ग्वालियर बाय द वे.
आई एम फ्रॉम भोपाल.
यस.
मध्य प्रदेश के
मध्य
भाई हैं,
प्रदेश के
भाई,
भाई.
भाई. हाँ जी.
मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, मेरे पापा ग्वालियर में बैठे हुए हैं, एंड आई वांट टू ट्रांसफर सम मनी टू माय फादर. आई विल नॉट गो टू जस्ट अ पान वाला एंड आई विल से कि भैया 50,000 रुपये ले लो, डिपॉजिट कर लो, वहाँ से विड्रॉ कर लूँगा. राइट. आई विल गो टू अ RBI रजिस्टर्ड बैंक.
करेक्ट.
दैट विल प्रोटेक्ट माई मनी and that will ensure that my money reaches there.
बिल्कुल.
If I feel sick, I'll go to a doctor which is IMA certified, Indian Medical Association certified.
बिल्कुल.
I'll not go to some Baba,
बिल्कुल.
right? But when I see in the financial industry, a lot of people go to non-certified, non-SEBI registered people, and when some scams happen with them and they say अरे गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रहा है, and बड़ा स्कैम हो गया. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल मैं बाहर भी आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा था. आपकी के इंडस्ट्री के अन्नू कपूर जी बहुत टैलेंटेड एक्टर हैं.
बहुत टैलेंटेड है.
Yes. Just 1 year back, he invested some money with advisor, and he put some 20-30 lakh rupees. He gave some good returns, and then he invested some 40-50-70 lakhs rupees, and then he gave some good returns, and then when he had invested some 2 to 4-5 crore rupees, one fine day he just got wiped off the map, and he was never found, that guy.
ये हुआ.
Yes, that is published in the whole media and all.
ओहो, तो ये भूल इसलिए हुई क्योंकि
That guy was not SEBI registered at all. If he was SEBI registered, then government would take care that your money is not get scammed and all.
So can I ask you, how do you identify? आपको पता कैसे लगेगा कि कोई SEBI registered है? इसका प्रोसेस क्या है, बताइए.
You can just go to Google first of all, and you can type SEBI registered intermediaries, and then there will be a link. You can click on them and you can search the name of whoever you are dealing with. So like if you put my name on the Google, it will come under SEBI registered research analysts.
So
That's
you have to put your name or your company's name?
Since I am registered with SEBI on my personal capacity, they can put my name also.
And your company's name?
Yes. What is the trend that we are seeing right now? A lot of people who are not SEBI registered, they'll come to you and they'll say, यार I'm an expert, मैंने इतना बनाया है, market में उतना बनाया है, create किया है and all that, and you will give your money to them. You will not see that they are SEBI registered. Only thing you will see is कि they might have some followers, they might have some things that are not credible basically,
Okay.
and you will put your money with them. So that's been happening for quite some time. Government is after those people, and this is our duty also as a SEBI registered, and at this podcast also that people should be aware that people should only invest with the people who are SEBI registered so that scams don't happen.
थैंक यू सो मच निखिल, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही अच्छा आपने एक एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है कि आप लाइक यू स्टार्टेड ऑफ बी केयरफुल विथ योर मनी,
Right.
है ना। ये बहुत मुश्किल होता है कमाने के लिए, बहुत
Right.
आसान होता है कि
गंवाने
इस चकाचौंध में आप इसे खो दें
बिल्कुल।
या गंवा दें। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दैट। नाउ कमिंग बैक टू दैट थिंग कि अगर कोई अपना एक इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी आज शुरू करना चाहता है
Right.
तो वो कैसे करे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप बताइए।
Okay. So, out of my 12 years of experience in investing, I have found there are only 3 secrets to create multi-baggers. Multi-bagger are the stocks that, let's say you have bought at 100 rupees, it goes to 500, 700, 800 over the 3 years, 5 years round of time. And there are only 3 secrets to do that.
अच्छा, क्या है वो
And
secrets?
yes, that I'm going to discuss with you.
Yes.
So first
I
is
love secrets.
First is quality. When I talk about quality, it's not the quality of the product that a company is producing, it's the quality of their finances.
Okay.
So the P&L reports, the balance sheets and all that.
Correct.
Second thing is the valuation.
Okay.
Very few people talk about it because the whole ecosystem right now is based on the quality itself. The valuation, and first of all, how to do that. If you go into the market, and a lot of people talk about some ratios like P by E and all that. Sometimes ये भी होता है मार्केट में कि कोई स्टॉक है 6-7 गुना भाग गया और वहाँ से 10-20% it corrects. People think that buying this is buying at the right valuation.
Correct.
That is also not the case. And third thing is cyclical triggers. So these are the 3 secrets that we go for basically, and that is why we have been.
निखिल, ये सब जो है सिक्लिकल ट्रिगर्स वगैरह, ये नॉर्मल इंसान जैसे मेरे ये थोड़े कॉम्प्लिकेटेड
Right, right, थोड़ा सा।
इसके लिए आई थिंक कि एक एक्सपर्ट की जरूरत है। जैसे कि अगर आपने रेफरेंस दिया था एग्जांपल कि अगर आप बीमार हो जाए तो आप डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे,
Right.
राइट। ये नहीं कि आप फार्मासिस्ट के पास जाओ,
Right.
राइट। बहुत सारे लोग ऐसी गलती करते हैं कि वो अपने फार्मासिस्ट के पास, अरे यार बहुत सर दर्द हो रहा है, कुछ
Right.
दे दो यार,
Right.
लेकिन डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए, राइट, क्योंकि वो एक्चुअली चीज क्या है। सिमिलरली ये 3 तो सीक्रेट्स आपने बहुत आसानी से बोल दिए हैं, लेकिन ये कॉमन मैन के लिए आसान नहीं है। सो डू यू एडवाइज कि वो किसी सेबी रजिस्टर्ड वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन जैसे कि आपका है कि यू नो दे वुड कम टू यू एंड इट विल बी बेटर टू हैंडल योर वेल्थ, देयर वेल्थ इन दैट सेंस?
Definitely. Not just we discussed the example of doctor, but अगर आपको let's say you want to go on a healthy path, तो आप जिम पर जाते हो, तो for first 3-6 months you definitely go for a gym trainer because he'll tell you how to exactly do it, right?
वरना
And
इंजरी हो जाएगी।
injury हो जाएगी, right? So that is how people should always go if they really want to do it successfully. They should always go for 3 years, 6 years with a coach or SEBI registered research analysts or advisors, and after that they can decide if they have already learned it, they can do it on their own.
करेक्ट। लेकिन नॉर्मली स्टॉक मार्केट और फाइनेंस के सीख पाने के लिए, एडुकेट करने के लिए कम से कम 5-6 साल तो लगेंगे ही आपको, और वो भी नहीं लगे। और आपकी स्पेशलिटी नहीं है, जैसे कि मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, मैं आपके पास आऊँगा
Right.
कि यार ये पैसे ले लो आप, जरा हैंडल कीजिए ठीक ठाक से, राइट। तो अगर आपके पास स्पेसिफिकली आना है तो उसका प्रोसेस क्या है, मतलब कोई वेबसाइट होगी या कैसा होगा?
So we have a website, intrinsicvalueequity.in. We also have an app, Intrinsic Value Equity, where we keep sharing the value investing nuggets, insights, our strategies are free of cost there. And if they want to take our advices, they can definitely come to that.
So the link of this website and the app is on there, so feel free. यही नहीं है कि जैसे वो आए आप एक कंसल्टेंसी भी करेंगे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट उनके साथ, ऐसा कुछ?
I will do one better for you. They can join my literally free workshop that I do every Sunday live.
Oh,
Yes, for 3 hours I teach people how exactly to make multi-baggers in the Indian stock market, how we have actually done it, and they can learn it, and after that if they feel they can connect with us, and if they don't feel like it, they can just do it on their own.
oh that's lovely यार।
They will be fully
लेकिन
equipped.
आप एब्सोल्युटली, लेकिन आपको डर नहीं लगता है थोड़ा सा कि यार मैंने तो बता दिया सबको, अब नहीं आएंगे? बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड
Right.
कि करीबन 20-25 हजार स्टूडेंट्स को आपने ओवर टाइम एडुकेट किया है, इज दिस राइट?
Right.
20-25 हजार लोग,
Yes, every workshop we have nearly 1,000 people.
और उनमें से हाउ मेनी पीपल, व्हाट परसेंटाइल हैव एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड इन्वेस्टिंग विद यू, कि आपको पैसे दिए हैं फॉर देयर वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट, परसेंटाइल वाइज?
Percent would be 10%,
Huh.
and rest of them were maybe, let's say, students. They are CA students, CFA students. So that's why they go on their own journey. And out of that 10% people have actually gone with us for our advisory.
Well, that's amazing. So let's start with your journey ki civil engineering se, which is IIT Madras se, right? IIT, of course, what an amazing institution.
Thank you.
And congratulations on that. वहाँ से सिविल इंजीनियरिंग से लेकर वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट तक ये जर्नी कैसे हुई ये बताइए थोड़ा. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
So yeah, as you said, I did my structural engineering from IIT Madras, and after that I was associated with a lot of big companies like Larsen and Toubro and Worley Parson and NEL, and they gave me a lot of opportunities to go overseas and work. I was in oil and gas industry, which is also associated with infra, construction,
Correct.
and steel related businesses. So basically I consider myself lucky that I got to see how these companies, how these core companies work. कहते हैं ना, किसी चीज को zoom in करके देख लिया और zoom out करके देख लिया,
हाँ.
you get the whole picture.
बिल्कुल.
So what I realized there, I was making good money since I was overseas. I wanted to invest my own money, and I hired 2-3 advisors in this country. In 1 year, I realized that India does not have good advisors.
That's a very big statement to make.
That is the one realization that I had. Why? Because, as I said, if you want to understand something very deeply, you have to first zoom in, you have to then zoom out. And most of the advisors, they are looking at the companies from only balance sheets and P&L point of view only.
तो आप में
They
क्या
have-
फर्क है?
I have lived that life. So I have lived as a corporate employee. I have been there. I was an
You've
engineer.
also been an investor yourself.
Yes.
You have invested money
Yes.
of your own. हाँ.
Yes. So not only as an investor, but also being part of those companies in which people invest.
Yes.
Right?
हाँ.
So you have seen that culture. You have seen how P&L are created. You have seen how work is done, and then you become the investor. That's a great value add.
Of course.
एंड एक और चीज़ मैं आपको हाईलाइट करना चाहूँगा. अगर पिछले 10 और 15 साल की बात करें तो इंजीनियर्स हैव डन वे 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 बेटर देन एक्चुअल फाइनेंस डिग्री होल्डर्स.
Really? ये क्यों?
अगर हम इंडिया के बेस्ट इन्वेस्टर्स की बात करें जिन्होंने 40-50 साल पहले चालू किया, दे आर मोस्टली CAs. रामदेव अग्रवाल जी, मोतीलाल ओसवाल जी, राकेश झुनझुनवाला जी. बट इफ यू लुक एट लास्ट 10 years, most of the IITians have actually killed it in the fund management. Most of the engineers are doing very, very well because they have that analytical skill.
Correct.
They don't go into narratives. They just look at the number. They have basically one niche and they keep it, intact, and they just invest over it.
Okay, so they're आप बोल रहे हो कि they're looking at it without any emotion and sentiments. They're
Right.
looking at exactly in analytic.
Right.
But then comes the question. AI. आजकल AI has become a very dominant feature.
Right.
AI has no emotion. So why not depend on AI to manage your wealth?
So before AI, there was machine learning. Before machine learning, there were indicators. But we have seen that some people have used them, but they have used them on the smaller time frame.
Okay.
In the larger time frame, no AI works, nothing works. I have not only the numbers, only the annual reports, only the balance sheets. That is what works.
I see.
Yes, because a lot of people try to do that 30-40 years back also with the help of computer, with the help of other machine learning programs. But when the fund manager did a study and Mr. Warren Buffett, who is a value investor, he beat them all.
Yeah.
He beat computers all
So
the time.
एक अच्छा mixture between technology and skilled human
Right.
learnings. ये आपके हिसाब से बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन होगा.
दैट वुड बी द बेस्ट. जैसे कि अगर हम भी अभी करते हैं तो हम जो हमारी प्रोसेसेस हैं उनको टेक्नोलॉजी के बेस पर ही ऑटोमेट करते हैं.
करेक्ट.
जैसे हमारे भी कुछ फिल्टर्स हैं, जैसे स्टॉक्स को फाइंड आउट करने के, स्क्रीन लगाने के, तो दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी ओनली.
वही मैं आज आने वाला था कि y'all already have that software programming, that technical know-how,
Right.
जिसकी आप अपने नॉलेज के साथ, ह्यूमन नॉलेज के साथ आप इसको भी यूज करते हैं, तो you get the best of both worlds.
Right.
Right. May I ask you straightforward that now how many years have you been managing wealth?
I've been managing wealth for last 3 to 3.5 years, but I've been investing for last 12 years.
Okay. May I ask you in totality, what your average return to your clients are? Just average, if you don't mind.
वो नहीं बता सकते.
नहीं? That's not allowed?
That's the main difference between SEBI registered people and SEBI non-registered people.
Oh, okay. See, now this is a great indication of a person who's very loyal and very
Right.
rule following, and I really appreciate that.
Thank
I
you.
wanted to get that point out. Test सवाल. But that's amazing, क्योंकि आजकल बहुत सारे लोग numbers ऐसे फेंकते हैं
Right.
जैसे कि वही स्टॉक मार्केट को ओन करते हैं.
Right.
आप 10,000 रुपए डालोगे आपको 5 करोड़ मिल जाएंगे, आप ये करो वो करो.
Yes. That's the actual difference between SEBI registered people and non-registered people. Non-registered people will just throw numbers at you, and since they don't come under the jurisdiction of SEBI, nothing can be done. But we as people,
So
we have been prohibited.
Don't follow unnecessarily and go for SEBI registered. That's number one value.
Right.
Right. But अब हम जब ये शूट कर रहे हैं, करीबन दिसंबर का वक्त चल रहा है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. जब तक ये एयर होगा ये पॉडकास्ट हमें पता नहीं, लेकिन दुनिया में जियोपॉलिटिकली इतना ड्रामा हो रहा है, राइट? इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी है. फिर रिसेंटली अदानी जी का भी एक केस आया है.
Right.
फिर there have been a lot of things which are not suitable for the environment for an investor.
Right.
आप इस सिचुएशन को कैसे हैंडल करेंगे? सपोज मेरे पैसे मैं आपको दूंगा और बोलूंगा कि देखिए मेरा 10 साल का टर्म है.
Right. So I always say this: there are always opportunities and there are always traps.
Yeah.
So even if the market is in whole turmoil and it's going down, just 6 months back it was way overvalued and people were not keen to invest in the companies. That time also there were a lot of opportunities, and the market of March 2020, when the market was all-time low, you could have invested in anything and your portfolio would have become 6x 7x in the last 4 years.
बिल्कुल.
There were traps also that time.
अच्छा.
So there are always traps and there are always opportunities, and that is what we are very good at. We are good at finding those opportunities. In totality, market means just turning all the stones to find out the gems.
Well said. Correct.
Right.
Can I ask you कि सबसे बड़ी 2-3 जो मिस्टेक्स लोग अपने पैसों के साथ करते हैं वो क्या होता है?
Right. सबसे पहले तो मार्केट में लोग आते हैं and they do options and futures. Right.
क्या होता है ऑप्शंस, क्या होता है फ्यूचर? वेरी
So option and future is where you leverage your position. Let's say you have 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. You take leverage from your broker and you take some positions. And if they work, you make huge money. If they don't, you lose a lot of money.
करेक्ट.
In layman terms, it is that. So it is a short way to get wiped out in the market.
राइट.
Because people have not been able to do that. SEBI also gave one circular that only 11% people are profitable in that. Out of that, only 3% people beat FD. Yes.
और एफडी का इस वक्त करंट
6.57, अभी तो 7.5 हो गया है.
जी
And
बिफोर टैक्स.
yes, and there are only 1100 people in this whole country who have actually made a killing in FNO.
1100.
Only 1100.
1100 लोग.
Yes, 150 करोड़ लोगों के देश में
माय गॉड, ये तो .00001
कुछ भी नहीं है.
क्या है
कुछ
percentage?
भी नहीं है. 9 करोड़ लोगों के पास डीमैट अकाउंट है सर. Out
तो
of
आप
that,
कह रहे हैं कि हमारे देश में ज्यादातर लोग लॉन्ग टर्म वेल्थ क्रिएशन पे नहीं कॉन्सेंट्रेट
Right.
कर रहे हैं, बल्कि ऑप्शंस एंड ट्रेडिंग एंड शॉर्ट टर्म.
right.
करेक्ट.
Right. So if you look at the volume, that is option volume of India and the cash volume. Cash volume means जो long term investing हम करते हैं, that is 80 times.
Wow.
Yes. And that is a very alarming level, and that is why SEBI is putting a lot of restrictions on the options and futures so that they can save some of them.
और अभी भी गवर्नमेंट ने अपने प्रीवियस बजट में भी टू प्रोटेक्ट इन्वेस्टर्स
Right.
या शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन पर ज्यादा उन्होंने टैक्स.
ज्यादा
ये
लगा.
करेक्ट है? इसके बारे में
Right.
कुछ बताइएगा प्लीज.
So
क्या
in-
हुआ एग्जैक्टली, एक्सप्लेन कीजिए.
So there are 2 circulars from SEBI. पहला तो जो FNO का लिमिट था जो 1.5 था, they are thinking of doing it on 15 lakhs. So only HNIs and only people,
व्हाट आर एचएनआईज?
HNIs are high net worth individuals.
जी.
So only those people can do that. The average man cannot do that. And second is that the short term capital gains, they have increased it to 25%, which is 12.5% in long term capital gains.
करेक्ट.
So you have a natural advantage if you are a long term investor.
बट कैन आई आस्क यू व्हाई गवर्नमेंट ने बजट में लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन का भी इंक्रीमेंट कर दिया? पहले तो 10% ही था,
Right.
तो अब 12.5% क्यों किया? क्योंकि वो तो उन्हें इनकरेज करना चाहिए.
So they have done it to do the indexation basically. Real estates में there was a lot of complexity in long term capital gains.
जी.
And sometimes it was 10% and sometimes due to indexation it used to be 0% also. So government thought that it will be better if we just collect everything and make it 12.5%.
But isn't that unfair to the stock
Everything
market?
is unfair.
अरे, so you're not personally
What?
happy with that perspective?
Yes, I'm not happy, but it used to be 0%.
Correct.
Yeah, and then it
एक
went
साल के
to
ज्यादा अगर आपने पैसे होल्ड कर दिए तो
Right.
आपको टैक्स ही नहीं देने की जरूरत है. और
Right.
वो रिसेंटली हुआ था. अब
Yes.
ये नहीं कि मैं कितने 5-6 साल पहले की बात कर
5 साल पहले उन्होंने 10% किया.
हाँ,
अभी
0 से
12.5
10% और अब 12.5%.
12.5% किया.
जी हाँ.
But at the same time they are doing it for short-term capital gains also. So you still have the advantage over it.
बिल्कुल.
But yeah,
वो
it's
तो
there.
इनकरेजमेंट के लिए है.
Yes.
बट द वे दैट यू नो आजकल एक बहुत ही डेंजरस चीज हो गई है कि लोगों ने पिछले अगर 2-3 साल में अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट की जर्नी स्टार्ट की है
Right.
तो उनके जहन में एक सिर्फ अप देखा है.
अरे ये तो आपने सही क्वेश्चन पूछा.
है ना?
Yes, yes, yes.
तो एक्सपेक्टेशन तो कहाँ पर, और आज पहली बार पिछले 5-6 महीने से वो देख रहे हैं कि डाउन 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 डाउन.
Right.
व्हाट डू यू
As an advisor, I will share my journey here.
प्लीज?
In 2022 when people used to come to us as a client, they used to say, sir, FD बीट हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ.
मतलब 7% देता है, 10% तो हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ.
एंड ऑब्वियसली हम तो उतना भी प्रॉमिस नहीं करते बिकॉज ऑफ सेबी गाइडलाइंस.
करेक्ट.
बट आज की डेट में हमारे पास जब लोग आते हैं एंड दे आर लाइक, सर 40-50% तो ईयरली मिल जाएगा ना?
ओह.
And it's just become so I would say annoying.
Annoying.
Yes, because they have not seen that part. And when we talk about the returns, we talk about 10-year journey, 20-year journey.
Yes.
And what they want to achieve is like nearly 40-50% CAGR in just 1 year.
Amazing.
And one more fact I will share with you. अच्छा, मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ.
जरूर.
अगर इस देश में अगर आपको डिसाइड करना हो कि what is the age group that is more impatient or more desperate to make money, what would be that age group? 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 or 60 to 70?
I would say 30 to 40.
Okay, so you would choose younger people.
Yeah.
Right, so 20 to 30, 30 to 40,
20 to 40.
20 to 40.
हाँ.
In last 3 years of my journey, the most desperate people I have found are the people who have just been retired.
क्या बात करें?
60 to
65 plus.
Yes,
Why?
there are two reasons. A, they have lesser time. They are 65, they think okay कितना होगा, 70 तक जीऊंगा, 70-75 तक जीऊंगा. And the second, the most important reason is all they have is one house, बच्चों को पढ़ा लिया, एक गाड़ी ले ली, that's it.
हाँ, रिटायर्ड लाइफ जी रहे हैं.
Right.
हाँ.
And when they look at the people who are just turned 35-40 and they have created huge amount of wealth in the stock market in last 20 years,
हाँ.
that desperation comes over.
That's true. ये बहुत ही एक साइकोलॉजिकल गेम है.
Right. And that's how they go into FOMO. See, आप जब सोचोगे अपनी लाइफ में, आप सोचोगे यार 20 से 30, 30 से 40 वाले ज़्यादा डेस्परेट होने चाहिए पैसे के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
Right? And when you look at 60-year-old, 70-year-old, you are like, अरे ये तो बहुत काम होना चाहिए नेचर में. They have seen everything.
उल्टा ही हो गया है.
They have seen everything in the life. But यहाँ उल्टा हो रहा है. तो उसके पीछे रीजन एक ये भी है कि when they were young, there were no investment options available. क्योंकि स्टॉक मार्केट में फर्जी बड़ा चलता था. रियल एस्टेट खरीद लिया, किसी ने कब्जा कर लिया. FD रिटर्न्स उतना ही देता है. चिट फंड कंपनीज चलती थी, पैसा लेके भाग गए. तो इट्स नॉट देयर फॉल्ट.
रेगुलेशन ही नहीं थी.
It's not their fault, but they were doing the right thing, putting money in the FD. But now that FD money has not taken them anywhere.
वेल्थ क्रिएशन नहीं हुआ.
Wealth creation new. And when they look at the people who have created a lot of wealth at the age of 40, 45, that desperation comes over them.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
So it's not their fault, but they have been the victim of that FOMO.
Can I ask you कि आपके पास बहुत सारे अलग-अलग एज ग्रुप के डेमोग्राफी के क्लाइंट्स हैं?
Right.
कैन यू कैटेगराइज कि कौन से एज ग्रुप के कैसे प्रोपोर्शन में होंगे? ज्यादातर आपके जो
Mostly we have from 30 to 45.
तो कैन आई आस्क यू कि एक जनरल कॉन्वर्सेशन क्या होती है आपके साथ कि अगर एक 35 ईयर ओल्ड या 32 ईयर ओल्ड एक बंदा या बंदी आई हैं जिन्होंने अभी अभी उनकी सैलरी थोड़ी एस्टैब्लिश हो गई,
राइट
लेट्स से कि उनकी सैलरी है 50,000 रुपीज़ अ मंथ,
राइट
और वो आते हैं आपके पास और वो कहते हैं कि निखिल आई वुड लव टू क्रिएट वेल्थ विथ यू, ओके, तो ये गेम खेलते हैं, ये एक्टिंग करते हैं थोड़ा सा,
राइट
मैं आया हूँ आपके पास, हाय निखिल, हाउ आर यू,
Hello,
अच्छा दिस इज 50,000 रुपीज़ एवरी मंथ, अब मेरे जो एस्पिरेशंस हैं मुझे ये, तो आप मुझे बताइए हम कैसे अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट करें.
So basically, what we do is we do long-term investing, and we give 20 to 22 stocks over the year, and all those stocks are multi-bagger opportunities. They'll create good wealth for you. So this is what you get, and the most important thing, Vishal, what you don't get. You don't get short-term calls. You should have 2 years to 5 years of holding period, and you should have definitely have a long-term horizon, and that money that you are investing should be the surplus. It should not be like कि आज तो मैंने invest कर दिया but after 6 months I need that money, Nikhil, I need to get it out. Because in value investing, a lot of times stocks don't work for 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, and then after let's say 15 months they just double
Correct.
when the value emerges.
And your research is done with a future perspective कि ये स्टॉक यहाँ पर इनके चांसेस हैं क्योंकि ये हो रहा है इस कंपनी के साथ, या ये अफेक्ट होगा इसको.
राइट जो मैंने आपके साथ cyclical triggers की बात
जी,
की,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
those are the triggers we follow, and when those triggers happen we buy in those companies. But after triggers also, जैसे कि अगर लेमन टर्म्स में मैं बात करूं, just to give you a case study, we invested in a agrochem company. After 6 months that we bought, the promoter company itself bought their own stock. So they increase their holding for 5 to 6%.
okay.
So those are some of the cyclical triggers.
ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है कि आप अपने खुद में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हो, तो
Right.
बहुत अच्छा साइन है. तो लेट्स गो बैक टू दिस कि कोई आए हैं आपके पास और कहते हैं कि उनका सैलरी 50,000 रुपए महीने का है और वो अब अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं. गो अहेड.
So the minimum capital required is to invest with us is nearly 8 to 10 lakhs over the year.
Which is very reasonable.
Reasonable,
हाँ.
right? That minimum capital requirement is not from our side, but to make sense of our fee, you should at least have that.
May I ask you आपके फीस क्या है?
It's nearly 40,000 rupees per year.
So it's one time 40,000 rupees
Yes,
annually.
per year, annually.
It's not a commission out of.
No, we don't do that.
You all don't do that.
It's a flat
बहुत
fee.
सारे फंड्स एक परसेंटाइल लेते हैं.
Right.
आप वो नहीं ले रहे.
Right. So we give recommendation in the staggered manner. जैसे कि कोई भी प्रोफेशनल है, they are salaried people, they are business people, the money always come in the staggered manner, right? It's not like they have everything or
Bulk
right
में
now,
नहीं आता है.
right? So we also try to give recommendation in the staggered manner. So let's say right now somebody has subscribed, we will give them 5 to 7 stocks which are in the buying zone from our previous list, and after that we will try to give one stock every month, in 1.5 months we will try to give one stock and all that. So this is how we provide 22 stocks over the year.
Okay. But it's
So
not
that-
only buying, it's also अगर सेल की जरूरत करनी है तो वो भी आप बोलते
Yes, yes, definitely. Actually, exit is the most important recommendation.
Correct.
Because buying, if you go to social media, if you go to anything, YouTube, everyone is saying buy this, buy that.
राइट यार. हाँ.
But exit कोई नहीं बताता.
हाँ. कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं, मैं तो 30-40% पे बैठा हूँ, मैं
Right.
बेचूं कि नहीं, ग्रीड आ जाता है, which you look analytically, आप
Right.
इमोशन से नहीं देखते.
So that is where retail investors get trapped, because everyone is telling them buy this, buy that, buy this. After one time, I don't have capital. How can I buy more?
बिल्कुल.
Right? And those companies that I bought already, they have gone down by 30-40%. What should I do? Should I hold? Should I exit? What should I do?
Wow.
Right.
So do you believe in systematic investment plan?
So the kind of mechanism that we have done here is basically systematic investment itself,
Bilkul.
because we give recommendation in the staggered manner. So whenever they have capital, they have the stock. Whenever they have the stock, they should have the capital.
तो आपका मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट है कि 8 से 10 लाख आपके पास होना चाहिए.
Right.
और
over
जब
the
भी आप
over the year.
एक साल में,
Right.
और जब भी आप रिकमेंडेशन दें तो उस फिगर में ये कैपिटल है और उसके हिसाब से आप रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ 22 स्टॉक्स देते हैं
Right.
थ्रू द ईयर.
Yes.
एंड यू टेल देम व्हेन टू सेल आल्सो. तो वो
Exactly.
वो होता रहता है.
Right. And we provide them allocation also. How much you can allocate.
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली. तो
In
पूरा
percentage allocate.
एक पूरा एक होलिस्टिक, दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Right.
बट योर सीम्स टू बी, आपका एक बिजनेस प्लान जो है वो बहुत ही यूनिक है. आई डोंट थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू दिस.
There are only 800 to 1000 research analysts in this whole country.
Wow.
Right.
And you're one of them. I feel very privileged, yeah. But you know, I'm obviously not here to recommend people to say go to him. But my point is that जब आप एक इंसान के साथ बैठते हो, बातचीत करते हो, तो आपको एक समझ में आ जाती है कि एक इंटेंशन क्या होता है
Right.
फेस टू फेस. तो क्या मैं अपने सारे व्यूअर्स को ये इनकरेज करूं कि वो आपसे फेस टू फेस मिले या एटलीस्ट एक वीडियो कॉल होना चाहिए?
I would recommend आप please don't recommend my recommendation service. Instead of them, what you can push your viewers to at least watch my workshop. I take workshop every Sunday that is practically free of cost, and I teach people about value investing and how you can do value investing step by step, how you can be equipped technically and financially, how to do it yourself.
तो मैं तो रजिस्टर कर रहा हूँ.
डेफिनेटली आपको तो करना ही है.
हाँ, मैं तो कर रहा हूँ.
आपको तो
ये तो हमारी जो एडवांटेज हो गई है कि फेस टू फेस ये मुझे प्रिविलेज है. लेकिन मैं डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू रियली लुक इनटू योर संडे कोर्सेज. अभी मुझे कैसे करना है, ये मैं कैसे करूँ?
I'll give you a link and you just can go there and you can register for yourself.
Okay, so that link is also in the description.
I have very interesting thing
हाँ,
to say
बताइए
here. If you are investing as a public figure, if you are investing as an advisor, you can actually predict the top and bottom.
What?
It's a magic.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप?
It's a magic. You can do that.
Elaborate.
I'll tell you. So you are investing publicly. So everybody knows that you are investing, right? You have clients also. Every time there will be a bull market, people will be making a lot of money, and there will be a time when the valuations will be all-time high. You know the valuations are all-time high because you are doing investing, right? But you will not sell there because that's where the market is in the momentum. But the time will come where the people who have not talked to you for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, they'll come to you and they'll say, Nikhil, I also need some advice. Nikhil, मुझे कुछ stock tips दो ना. That is the time when market will peak.
Wow. Superb.
In
यार.
3 months, market will peak.
Wow.
Your
जब इंटरेस्ट बढ़ रहा है मार्केट में, लोग बोल रहे टिप दे दो,
right,
वो एक इंडिकेशन है.
right.
This is amazing. Yeah.
And the people, आप भी ऐसी इंडस्ट्री से आते हो. I don't think a lot of people believed in you when you started journey. And we also come from the same industry because you know that stock market is considered taboo in small
A
towns.
lot of places. Huh?
Yes. And when the people who have never encouraged you also and they come to you and यार stock tip चाहिए यार, मुझे भी कहीं invest कराओ ना, you know that market is peaking in 3 months. In last 3 years, lot of people who have invested through us, they have called me, अरे sir, you are the next राकेश झुनझुनवाला, you are the next Warren Buffett, and I'm like, yeah sir, ठीक है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. And when that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala becomes Jhunjhuna master, when that Buffet cup becomes Pattal Dona, that is the time you know market has made the bottom.
अरे, this is the best advice that I have.
This is the only leading indicator in the market.
Wow.
You know what's going to happen in the future.
That is amazing. See, but this is what I love. The simplicity of your conversation is so brilliant. कि technicals तो है ही.
Right.
उसके लिए expert की जरूरत है ही.
Right.
लेकिन आपने इतना एक बहुत ही simple चीज बोल दिया है.
But this always works. This always works.
Yeah. So people know.
In fact, अगर मेरा कोई स्टॉक है जो 5-6 गुना पे चल रहा है, I will start watching news. अगर न्यूज उस स्टॉक को बार बार कवर कर रहा है, I will exit.
I see. क्योंकि इसका पीक हो रहा है.
It's a game of narrative.
Wow.
Because whenever the stock is overvalued, someone somewhere is pumping for that news.
Anybody you
Anybody
don't know
can
who
be
it
there.
is. Finally, I just want to ask you, keeping in mind the current geopolitical situation, it's very scary to convince somebody कि अपना investment journey अब शुरू करो. I'd like to understand कि आप इन लोगों को क्या कहना चाहते हैं.
I have a very different point of view here. There has been no time which is not volatile. मुझे ऐसा लगता है 2022 में रशिया यूक्रेन चालू हुआ, वहाँ से मार्केट ने पीक बनाया. इजराइल ईरान चालू हुआ, वहाँ से मार्केट ने पीक बनाया. अमेरिका ईरान था 1920 में, वहाँ से भी मार्केट ने 40-50% दिया. तो ये तो हो गया वर्ल्ड इवेंट्स. कोविड हो गया. आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज वन वेरी वेरी फेमस गाय एंड he has the same name as me. He said that market will crash because till March the market had crashed, and April May the market started moving up, and after May he said that since the whole country is in the lockdown, there is no business happening. तो जो जून के क्वार्टर के रिजल्ट्स आएंगे वो तो 0-0 ही आना है क्योंकि बिजनेस ही ठप पड़े हैं सारे. एंड ही सेड जून के बाद मार्केट इतना ज़्यादा गंदा गिरेगा, बट that did not happen. In fact, market made all-time high after 20s and 2020 and 2021. So there are always basically opportunities and there are always traps, and that is where we have to focus on. We have to focus on one thing, that we have to be well placed. So let's say market goes down by 20%. Our portfolio should have stocks which only go down by, let's say, 10 or 12%.
Correct. Very well said.
And if the market goes up by 20%, our portfolio should have stocks which goes up by 40%.
Wow.
If we do that, we are well settled, we have peace of mind. मार्केट को करने दो जो करना है. इंडियन पर्सपेक्टिव में आपसे बात करता हूं मैं. जब इंडिया का कारगिल वॉर हुआ था, in that period of time Indian market went up by 40%.
हाँ.
Yes.
I know that.
So it is one of the narrative that people say कि यार बहुत अनस्टेबिलिटी है, ये है वो है. But in the reality, the correction will always come when everything is settled.
Correct.
It will always come when you least expect it. अभी इलेक्शन के बाद किसने एक्सपेक्ट किया था? Now it started correcting. 2 वॉर हो गए, कोविड आ गया, कभी करेक्ट नहीं हुआ. तो मार्केट हैज इट्स ऑन वे ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स. मार्केट वर्क्स ऑन साइकिल्स बेसिकली, एंड मार्केट ऑलवेज करेक्ट्स ऑन इट्स ऑन वेट. Even if the whole government want it, they will not be able to correct it. But if it has to correct, nobody can stop it.
So before we go, I want to ask you, if you don't mind, I won't ask you stock specific.
Right.
I know you won't, and I will not also put you. This is not a channel to do that. I want to ask you, in the next 5 to 10 years, sector-wise, what are the 3 sectors you feel that investing in the Indian market, which sectors should you invest in?
So as I told you, market always works in cycle, and the businesses also work in cycles.
Yeah.
So the industries, the businesses, the companies, they also have a cycle. They have a subtle cycle. For 3-4 years they do very well, and then 3-4 years they go into down cycle. So what we try to do is we try to find out those sectors which are right now in the down cycle, so that when they go up, they make us good money, right? And some of those sectors I'm going to share it with you. That is, one is FMEG. Fast moving electrical goods.
Okay.
Companies that make these electrical things.
Okay.
Second is agrochemical, the companies which are into pesticides and herbicide and insecticides, fertilizers. And third sector would be gas distribution companies.
I see.
Yes, because the whole focus of the media has been for last 3 years on EV, while CNG is building infra in very stealthy mode.
Correct.
I mean, they had promised us कि हर पेट्रोल पंप पर आपको चार्जिंग स्टेशन मिलेगा. चार्जिंग स्टेशन तो अभी तक तो नहीं मिला, लेकिन हर पेट्रोल पंप पर सीएनजी का स्टेशन जरूर मिल गया. And nobody is looking at that way.
Wow, that's why stealthy. Correct.
Right. They have already made the infra.
Secretly
There are already very well placed in the vehicle segment also. अभी टाटा पंच का CNG segment आ गया, सब कुछ आ गया, and people are accepting it.
Yes.
And on the other hand, people are starting to reject EV.
Yeah, I have heard so.
Yeah, in the European countries, a lot of people are switching
back to petrol.
Yeah. Also, when they are reselling it, the resale cost also of the vehicle is very, very less. Because nobody knows what is the life of vehicle's battery.
Correct.
Right?
And it's not good for the environment also कि बैटरी जब खत्म हो जाए तो अभी भी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है कि the battery gets recycled or you know, so that's very dangerous.
Yes, there are some people who are working on it in the Indian companies also, but let's see how that turns out.
And what is, because दो sectors जिसके बारे में सब बात करते हैं जो आपने mention नहीं किया, I'd like to ask you why. Recycling, right, and also surprisingly Ayurveda. ये दो जो sectors हैं, इनके बारे में मैं off late काफी सुन रहा हूँ. You didn't mention it. How come?
So Ayurveda, I'll have to study. I mean, if there are companies in the segment that are listed, maybe in the unlisted space there are companies, and recycling, I think they have gone a lot. As I told you that there is a upcycle, there is a down cycle,
Yes.
and a lot of people talk about the companies that are already in the upcycle.
I see.
So just to give you an example, we were talking about auto ancillary companies in 2019.
Yes.
Auto ancillary companies are the companies which help making the vehicles.
Yes.
So they can make automotive lighting, they can make mirrors, somebody will make axle shaft. And that was the time when the whole media was pessimistic about these companies. And in 2023-22, when we decided to exit, we saw that a lot of fund managers actually talking about those companies.
I see.
Because that is the time to talk about those companies. If I talk about those companies in 2019, my acceptability ratio will be very, very less.
Correct.
You make money, you don't make money, but the narrative is set in a way that people will only accept you. Like right now, if I talk about EV, more people will watch this video. If I talk about lubricant companies, which are more based on petrol diesel vehicle, less people will watch this video.
I see.
That's
but
the
you're
whole-
not trying to be populist. You're trying to be realistic,
Right.
and you're trying to do everything on the basis of research.
Right. I will share some example with
Please.
you in 2021 to 2022, and the whole narrative was based on EV, and I said कि lubricant space is looking good, and there was एक Twitter पे space होता है,
हाँ.
so
हाँ.
yes, so there were 1,000 people in that space. I said lubricant space is looking good. In 5 minutes there were 700 people. 300 people left the space.
अच्छा. क्योंकि ट्रेंडिंग नहीं था,
ट्रेंडिंग
exciting
नहीं है,
था.
एंड पीपल आर लाइक क्या बोल रहा है यार,
ये
क्या
कौन
ही
चीज
बोल
होती
दिया.
है कि जो ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक है वो
Right.
कूल होता है, जैसे कि ईवी वगैरह.
राइट.
लेकिन
लॉट ऑफ पीपल हमारे क्लाइंट्स में से आते हैं कि सर ईवी में से कंपनी दो ना, तो आई एम लाइक एम आई योर कंसल्टेंट और यू आर माय कंसल्टेंट.
एग्जैक्टली. आप इसमें दो यार.
हाँ, सर,
दुकान को लगे इसमें कुछ दो ना, इसमें कुछ दो ना.
सर आईटी में दो ना.
So
ठीक है.
I'd also like to understand कि a lot of people in the middle चाइना में इन्वेस्ट करने लगे क्योंकि वो मार्केट बूम हो रही थी.
राइट.
फिर अब यूएस जो FIIs जो रिट्रैक्ट कर रहे थे अपना पैसा, तो अब डोनाल्ड ट्रंप आ गए हैं, तो सब अमेरिका में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो क्रिप्टो करेंसी में कर रहे हैं.
राइट.
ये ट्रेंड आपको कैसा लगता है, या आर यू सिक्योर एंड यू सेइंग यू नो इंडिया में काफी पोटेंशियल है ग्रोथ का? व्हाट इज योर टेक?
ये तो आपने बहुत मन की बात छीन ली सर. आई एम सो हैप्पी यू आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन, अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव मिस्ड इट.
अच्छा,
I have prepared a special song for only this show.
सुनाइए सुनाइए.
Okay, so basically a lot of people are concerned about FII's deal, and FIIs are basically foreign institutional investors, which we can call them Pardesi,
हाँ.
right? So the song goes like this: परदेसी परदेसी
हाँ.
छोड़ के हमको जाना नहीं,
हाँ.
सीतारमन जी की बात का बुरा तुमको मानना नहीं. इंडिया में ग्रोथ है, बहुत बहुत स्कोप है. जितना तुम्हारे पास नोट नहीं उतना हमारे पास लोग है. राइट. ओवर वैल्यूएशन का रिस्क है, ओवर वैल्यूएशन का रिस्क है, बट स्टेबिलिटी की चौड़ है. वेल्थ क्रिएशन की ये नो हर्डल रोड है. चाइना में इन्वेस्टमेंट तो छोड़ो, माल का ठिकाना नहीं. परदेसी परदेसी छोड़ के हमको जाना नहीं.
वाह 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 वाह. सुपर सुपर सुपर. You know, this is a lovely point out here that you've made कि FIIs जो जा रहे हैं सब ऐसे पैनिक कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक पॉइंट मैंने नोटिस किया है कि भाई FIIs तो जा रहे हैं,
Right.
टेम्पररी जा रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारे जो डोमेस्टिक लोग हैं वो भी अड़े हुए हैं,
बिल्कुल.
वो ज्यादा डाल रहे हैं, तो एक बैलेंस तो अच्छी तरह से हो रहा
यस.
है ना?
स्टेबिलिटी की चौड़ है, मैंने बोला ना.
स्टेबिलिटी की चौड़ है. राइट. दिस इज सो लवली. आपने कोई टेक्निकल टर्म्स यूज किए थे, लाइक आई वांटेड टू गेट क्लैरिटी ऑन दैट. जैसे कि आपने कहा कि सिक्लिक होता है, साइक्लिकल होता है,
Right.
अप एंड डाउन. इसका एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग क्या होता है? प्लीज एक्सप्लेन.
तो मैं इसको जितना लेमन टर्म्स में हो सकता है समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. तो बेसिकली देर आर 3 साइकिल्स ऑन विच एनी स्टॉक प्राइस which predominantly dominate any stock prices. Okay, one is economic cycle, second is business cycle, and third is sentimental cycle. Economic cycle is nothing but the cycle our countries go through.
Correct.
Matlab, we don't have to be an economist to understand that our country is going through upcycle.
Yes.
China has been going through upcycle. Some of the Western European countries are going through down cycles, right? Second is business cycle. Just like countries go through up cycle and down cycle, companies or businesses, industries also go through up cycle and down cycle.
Correct.
So I'll just explain this in 5 minutes after the sentimental cycle. And sentimental cycle is, आपने देखा होगा businesses, their fundamentals remain same for the year, even though the stock price goes up 20% and 30%, down 30%. That happens because of the sentimental cycle.
Okay.
Sentimental cycle is very quick, very reactive. It happens because of the news, it happens because of the narrative. Some people are looking for some breakouts, some people are looking for some indicators. The unfortunate part is 90% people of the country are playing in this zone. But the real money is created when people go for business cycle.
I see.
So I'll just explain in 2 minutes what business cycle is. Let's say you have a company that creates this magnificent mug. Okay.
Thank you.
And you create it, you make it for 50 rupees, you sell it for 200 rupees, and you have great profit margins, right? But you are making good profits, your investors are seeing it. The stock price of your company, which was nearly 20 rupees, it has gone to 200 rupees. It has gone 10x. But they are not the only people who are seeing it, right? Your competitors are seeing it.
Correct.
The government is seeing it. Others, people, your relatives are seeing it. Now they also want to be very, very rich.
Yes.
They also make the same plant. They also start manufacturing it. So that is called capex.
Correct.
So that is one of the cycle. And the capex can happen. Government can regulate you. अरे 50 रुपए का बेच के 200 क्यों बेच रहे हो भाई 50 रुपए का बना के. And a lot of things can happen. And that pushes your business into down cycle.
Correct.
Because when a lot of people come, the supply demand gap gets fulfilled.
Correct.
And you cannot sell it for 200 rupees, you have to sell it for 75, 80 rupees. And your investors are seeing it. So the 200 stock price goes to 80 rupees.
Correct.
And that is how the down cycle plays.
Right.
So what you have to do, you have to go in market, you have to explain to government, अरे इतना सब मत करो sir, ये वो. Apart from that, you have to squeeze out the competitors. You have to explain it to your investors why you are better than them.
Correct.
You have to explain to your clients, you have to have marketing campaigns to have the market share that you already had. So that is how you stabilize your business, and that is how the another upcycle starts.
Correct.
So we saw that, and we saw that.
Right. So business cycle.
And again, that stock price, which was 80 rupees, goes to 800.
Wow. There's so many factors.
Right. There are so many macro factors. Like, let's say dumping duty, anti-dumping duty, export-import rules, let's say taxation rules, GST rules. And these are the reason why businesses go through upcycle and downcycle. And they are very subtle. There will be a lot of indicators, there will be a lot of things to tell you that the business cycle is happening or not happening.
Correct.
So this is where the greatest amount of money is made.
Right.
The unfortunate part is people are only playing in the sentimental cycle. They are only looking for some kind of breakouts. 10% बना लूँगा, 15% बना लूँगा, and so it's not healthy.
That's amazing. So that leads me to my next question, which is, what is the difference between a good, successful investor and a failed investor?
Okay. So you are an investor, right?
Yes.
When you came into market, how many times it happened with you that, let's say a stock is doing very well, it has gone up by 6x, 7x also, and the fundamentals are very, very good, and you bought the stock and it goes down.
बहुत बार हुआ है.
Right? Let's say the stock has gone down by 20-30%. You think since the stock made 6x, 7x, and it is down by 20-30%, let's buy it here so that it makes 6x, 7x from here. Right?
Correct.
You buy there, the stock goes down again.
Yeah.
The stock goes down by 60-70%. Now you are very sure that the stock is undervalued because you came to my workshop and you understood the valuation. You bought the stock and it was undervalued, but for 3 years, 4 years, nothing happens. That also happens.
Correct.
And how many times it has happened with you? You bought a stock, it didn't do anything. For 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you exited the stock.
Boom.
And it became multi-bagger.
आप मेरे portfolio को देख रहे हो क्या? हाँ?
So this is the same thing happens. The same thing happens to all the retail investors.
Correct.
And when it happens with them, they think they are not made for market, they are unlucky, market is panoply for them, they should not be here, it's a rigged game, it's a shatta, and they think they are doing everything wrong. What if I tell you, you are not doing a lot of things wrong, you are doing only one thing wrong, and that is not getting the cycle right.
So this conversation has led me to understand a lot of things, Nikhil. लेकिन सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ जो मुझे से मिली है इस कॉन्वर्सेशन से, एंड आई होप कि आप लोगों को भी मिली है, कि इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी एजुकेटेड. चाहे आप खुद सीखो या कोई जो एक्सपर्ट है जैसे कि आप उन एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ जाइए,
राइट,
उनके पास जाइए और मेक श्योर कि दे आर सेबी रजिस्टर्ड. उनके बारे में बैकग्राउंड, यही नहीं कि सेबी रजिस्टर्ड है, उनकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में पढ़िए, अंडरस्टैंड देम, क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आप अपना हार्ड अर्नड मनी दे रहे हैं. किसी के इन्फ्लुएंस से, किसी के बात से ऐसे मत कीजिएगा. ये इज अ रेसिपी फॉर डिजास्टर.
दैट्स ट्रू.
एंड आई लर्न दैट एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी कि आज भी हमारे देश में आप जैसे लोग हैं जो लॉ को फॉलो करते हैं और दूसरों के पैसे को अपने पैसों से ज़्यादा अहमियत देते हुए उसे प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं और इसे ग्रो करते हैं. सो आई थैंक यू फॉर योर सर्विस ऑन दैट. And it's a privilege and an honor to meet somebody who's honest, from what I've learned, right? मैं आपको बता दूं कि मैं इनसे पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ face to face. Of course मैंने इनके videos भी देखे हैं, but from everything that you've told me, I'm assuming that you're a very honest person, क्योंकि कभी किसी के बारे में ऐसे बोलना नहीं चाहिए कि क्या है. But research करो,
right?
सीखो इनके बारे में. आपके पास गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट है, सिस्टम्स का सपोर्ट है कि आप सभी रजिस्टर्ड देखो, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आप जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं. डू योर ड्यू डिलिजेंस, एजुकेट योर सेल्फ. आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी ऑन योर संडे सेशन.
I'll be waiting for you, and it will be a privilege that you come to my workshop.
So join me also. हाँ, लिंक तो यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा है.
Right.
So I'll see you on any Sunday. कोई टाइमिंग होती है इसकी?
10 to 1.
10 to 1.
Yes.
ठीक है. लवली टाइम.
Yes.
आराम से करो and join it. But thank you so much for your time, Nikhil. It's an absolute pleasure. जाते जाते आप कुछ हमारे गेस्ट को कहना चाहेंगे?
So yeah, the end goal is obviously to be self-reliant. But ऐसा किसी ने मुझे बोला था कि if you want to do it full time, you always have to have coach. Let's say Virat Kohli needs a coach. He is the biggest cricketer of all time. He's GOAT.
Yeah.
But he has a coach.
Of course.
And gully cricketer Sonu, he doesn't have a coach because he doesn't want to do it full time. So you have to basically understand, and you have to be basically clear in your head where you want to go, what you want to achieve, and for that whatever is required you have to learn, and you have to associate with the right people.
Very well, sir. Educate yourself. Do your due diligence. किसी की ऐसी बात मत सुनिए. Learn and then decide and make your decisions. Whether it comes to wealth, whether it comes to health, whether it comes to anything in life. It was a pleasure, Nikhil, having
Thank
you on
you.
the Vishal
Thank you.
Hour, and hope to see you soon. Not
Thank
only
you.
on your Sunday sessions, but
Thank you.
also maybe you can come back again and meet us and talk to our guests again.
Definitely next time I'm in Mumbai, I'll again come back.
Chaliye. Lovely meeting you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Nikhil in the house. You're watching the Vishal Hour. Subscribe and smash that like button. See you next week.